Alain Graillot, the Crozes Hermitage Rouge 2020. 100% organic, 100% Syrah. It's from a small town of Crozes Hermitage in northern part of Rhone. The wine is made by Maxime Graillot. Alain Graillot, one of the son, Maxime Graillot. He's the winemaker for this particular wine. Tell you about the Domaine. They only make probably around 8 to 10,000 bottles every year, and are very much lesser imported in United States. So again, a popular name, sells out every year. Your chance to get it. Before that, let's review the wine. Let's check the color. I would say deep red, more of like magenta hue to it. Check the legs coming out. We've been carrying Alain Graillot wines for probably now like 7-8 years, and I love the producer. Let's check the nose. Like red, blackberries, dark berries going on. Smoked meats, olives. Wow, nice floral character to the wine. Just makes it a complete bouquet-like. Let's check the palate. Wow. The right word that comes out is like texture is very penetrating, slightly sappy on my mouth. Sweet cherry cola, blackberry flavors are coming out. I can get that nice baking spice, like a slight hint of like baking spice, some minerality in there, nice undertones of that. Finish is very long. I would say the tannins are slightly chewy. I would not use the word chewy the big way, but like nice chew on that. It's a Syrah, so I'm expecting that, not a big like a Cabernet or a Merlot, but nice subtle chewiness to it. The tannins are very rounded, earthy character to it, nice smokiness that leaves a long trace to it. Beautiful. But when I'm trying to pair this wine with some food, I'll take into the consideration of that smokiness, that fruit forward, that berries going on. Nice grilled meats, like grilled lamb, beef stews. The earthy character, like the eggplants or the mushrooms, if you are a vegetarian, and if you go at the like more vegetarian dishes, that would be a great pairing with this wine. That baking spice, like if you have like more herb crusted meats or something like that, like if you're doing with like rosemary or thyme, would pair really great with this. Wow. Rating this wine, I'll put it at good 93 points. I haven't seen anybody reviewing this wine. I do not know why, but you don't need to send this wine to any reviewer. But fortunate enough for me that we have a good access to it. 93 points, great wine. Alain Graillot Crozes Hermitage Rouge, the 2020 vintage. Cheers.